This is practicing present simple and progressive and yes or no questions with short answers. Okay, in Azar, this is page 20. So in your grammar notebook, I want you to copy this table, okay, and it has questions with do and does, and questions with verb be, okay, and this is important because when you ask a question, yes or no question, you always start with one of these helping verbs, okay? So, does David walk to the Majidi Mall? Do you see changes in Slimani? Okay? So, when you ask a question, if the first word is helper verb, then the answer is yes or no, okay? It's a yes or no question. So, the same thing with verb be. Are you studying online this term? Are you a social person? Is Slimani a quiet city? Are the streets busy? Are the owners worried about money? Are they discussing a solution? All of those questions are yes or no as the answer, okay? So when you give a short answer, you always need to listen or read for the helper verb. And if the answer is yes, so does David walk to the Majidi Mall? Yes, he does. So the helper verb is used in the answer, okay? So does David walk? Yes, he does. Does. Got it? Okay. If the answer is no, so no, he doesn't. Okay, so use the negative form for short answer. So use the helping verb. And it could be the positive or the negative, okay? The helping verb goes with the subject. So when you make a short answer, it's subject plus helping verb. And the helping verb can be positive or negative. If it's yes, he does, no, he doesn't. Okay. Do you see changes in Slimani? Can you finish this sentence? So, do you see changes? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay. So the rule, same thing. Okay, same rule. Now with B, question B, are you studying online this term? Yes, be careful, because the question is, are you studying online? So I'm using verb be, but do I say, yes, I are? No, you have to have the subject and the verb have to agree. So yes, I am. Okay. No, I am not. Are you a social person? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. So I can say I am not, or I could say I'm not. Okay. So contractions is possible here. Okay. So the rule, yes, for verb be, I used subject plus helping verb. But remember, for the verb be, you need to change the verb in your answer, so it needs to match, agree with the subject. The verb and the subject have to agree, okay? So I'll say subject and verb agree. All right. For example, I am, you are, etc. Okay. All right. So these other examples are pretty easy. So you can pause the video and copy this table in your grammar notebook. This is for March 5th, 2020. Okay. So I'll pause the video and then you can pause the video, do the practice, and then we will share the answers. Okay, here are the answers. Is Slemany a quiet city? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Okay, so it's the same rule for all of verb be, yeah? And it's the same rule for verb do. When you have do questions and be questions, okay? Are the streets busy? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay, so again, contraction, you could also say no, they are not. Same thing, okay? So I think that's enough examples. In Azar, do exercise 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38, okay? And for extra practice, make sure you watch our next video on Edpuzzle with Holly and David discuss coronavirus solutions in Slemany. Okay, good luck.